Hello everyone, it's Miss Ewell. In this video, we will be able to classify triangles as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene by their sides and angles. So in this video, we will be looking at the sides of a triangle as well as the angles. And you'll see how they both can be a good way to classify a triangle. So a triangle has three sides and three angles. So on my little example here, the three sides are little a, little b, and little c, a, b, and c, and three angles, a, b, and c. There are three names that we can give a triangle that tell how many sides or angles are equal. The first triangle is the equilateral triangle, equilateral. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides, and you can see in the example that there's these three little marks on every side, and they all are just one mark. Those marks tell us that those three sides are all equal because they're the same little mark on each side. And the three angles of a triangle are also always equal. And in an equilateral triangle, it's always 60 degrees. So in an equilateral triangle, the only option for the angles is 60 degrees. If it's equilateral, the angles are 60. So if you're having a hard time remembering what an equilateral triangle is, look at the name of it. So in this word equilateral, there's the word equal, and there's the word lateral, and the word lateral means sides or like lengths, lateral sides. So it says it in the name, equal sides. The angles are always 60. Here are some examples. An equilateral triangle, all of the sides are 8, so I could put one mark on each side to show that they're all the same. And then the 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Always 60 degrees for an equilateral triangle. Then we have the isosceles triangle. Very funny word, Isosceles. It's a tough one to spell. An isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So on my example, there's a little mark on one side and on the other side, and they're both one mark, and that tells me that those two sides are equal. Notice that there's not a mark on the third side because that side is not equal to the other two. An isosceles triangle will also always have two equal angles. So here there's a marking for one angle and then a marking for another. And these marks also tell us that these are equal. There's one line here and one line here, and that tells me that these two angles are equal. Here are two examples. The pink triangle has a length of 13 on one side, a length of 13 on the other, so it's isosceles. It has two equal sides. And then the 12 is not equal to those, so that's what makes it isosceles and not equilateral. And then on the green triangle, I have a 74-degree angle here and a 74-degree angle here. If there's two equal angles, it's isosceles. And finally, the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle has no equal sides and no equal angles. Notice how on this triangle I have a lot of markings going on here. There's a one mark on here, on that side, two marks on the other side, and three marks on this side. Because they all have a different number of little markings, that tells me that those three sides are not equal to each other. They're all different sizes, even though I don't know what exactly those sizes are. And same goes for the angles. So I have one mark over here that tells me that's, one size of that angle. And then there's two marks on this angle. That tells me that this angle is not equal to this one. And then three marks on the other to show that none of these angles are equal. So scalene, no equal sides, no equal angles. Some examples, here is a pink triangle with 47 degrees, 65 degrees, 68. Those are not equal, not it. Greenish blue triangle has 6 11 and 13, none of those are equal to each other. None of those are equal to each other, so it's scalene. So we've got the equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. The isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. And the scalene triangle, no sides are equal. Have fun. Have a good one. Bye.